Hello everyone, this is Let's Speak English with me Habab. እዙይ መደብ ትምህርቲ ቋንቋ እንግሊዝ ንተዛረብቲ ትግርኛ እዩ። ሎሚ ከም መቐፀልታ ናይ ቴንስስ future simple ንሪኢና። መጀመርያ use simple future ንምንታይ ንጥቀመሉ፣ ኣብ ምንታይ ኩነታት ንጥቀመሉ ዝብል ንሪኢና። A. This tense denotes an action happening in the future. ዝጋብ ሕጂ ዘይተፈፀመ ኣብ መጻኢ ዝፍጸም action ወይ ኣብ መጻኢ ዝፍጸም ወይ ዝኸውን ነገር ንምግላጽ ንጥቀመሉ። ልክዕ ከም simple past, simple future specific time ወይ ውሱን ግዜ ኣይገልጽን። ኣብ መጻኢ ምዃኑ ይፈልጥ ግን ድሕሪ 5 ደቂቃ ድዩ ድሕሪ 10 ደቂቃ ወላ ድሕሪ 10 ዓመት ድሕሪ 20 ዓመት እቲ ቴንስ ኢንዲኬት ኣይገብርን እዩ። እቲ ቴንስ ብዛዕባ ሓደ ኣብ መጻኢ ዝፍጸም ነገር ጥራሕ ይዛረብ ክንገሎ ይሕብር። ነዚ ከዓ ኣብ መጻኢ መዓስ ከም ዝፍጸም ንምንጻር adverse of time የድልየና ኩሉ ግዜ እዚ ድሒርና ንሪኢና። ጥቕምታት ናይ simple future ግን A. First, this denotes an action happening in the future. እቶም future tense ንምግላጽ ንጥቀመሎም ቃላት ወይ ሓረጋት እንታይ እዮም? እቲ መሰረታዊ will ዝብል ቃል future ንምልካት ንጥቀመሉ ቃል እዩ። ካልኦት ዝተፈላለዩ ኣብ ዝተፈላለዩ ኩነታት ንጥቀመሉ፣ ሓፈሻዊ ንጥቀመሉ ግን will። ስለዚ መጀመርያ ናይ will ኣጠቓቕማን ተሕዝቶ ንርኢ። Let's see these 3 examples. I will do my homework. 2. I will be happy. 3. When all my children get good jobs, I will be happy. ኣብ ሰለስቲአን ቅድሚ ሕጂ ዝተፈጸመ ወይ ሕጂ ዝፍጸም ዘሎ ዘይኮነ ኣብ መጻኢ ዝፍጸም ነገር ንገልጽ ኣለና። ኣብታ ቀዳመይቲ I will do my homework. I will do my homework እና now ወይ yesterday ክምለ ንኽእል ኢና። ምክንያቱ ብዛዕባ መጻኢ ምዃኑ እታ will ሓቢራና ኣላ። ስለዚ መጻኢ ግን መዓስ ከም ተቐዲመ ዘልክዎ ድሕሪ 5 ደቂቃ ድሕሪ 10 ዓመት ዝኾነ ንጹር ነገር የለን። ስለዚ ብታይም ኣድቨርቢያል እቲ ግዜ ክግለጽ ኣለዎ። I will do my homework tomorrow. I will do my homework after 1 hour. I will do my homework next week because I have a lot of time. ብምባል time phrasal tomorrow, next week, next year ብምባል እቲ ዝፍጸም እቲ ኣብ መጻኢ ዝፍጸም መዓስ ስፔሲፊክ ከም ዝፍጸም ክንገልጽ የለና ማለት። ስለዚ ምስ future simple ኩሉ ግዜ future ዘመልክቱ time adverbials የለና። action ጥራሕ ዘይኮነ ዋላ state ክገልጽ ይኽእል። ቀዳመይትን ካልኣይትን ንወዳደር። I will do my homework. እዚ future activity ኣብ መጻኢ ክንገብሮ ሓሲብና ዘለና ነገር። I will be happy. ኣብ መጻኢ ዝፍጸም state የርኢ። ነዚ ንምንጻር ተሳሲት ኣብነት when all my children get good jobs, I will be happy. ሕጂ መዓስ እዩ ሓጎስ ደቁ ኣብቲ ዝደልዮ ደረጃ ምስ በጽሑ። So sometime in the future related to his children. ናይ will ኣጠቓቕማን ጥቕምን ብዝርዝር ንርኢ። ኣብ ምንታይ ኩነታት ንጥቀመሉ ዝብል እዩ። ሓደ ኣብ ፎርማል ወይ ከዓ ወግዓዊ ዝኾነ ኩነታት ንኣብነት the school will open in September. ሓደ ፍሉጥ ነገር እዩ፣ ወግዓዊ ዝኾነ ነገር። Dr. Asmorom will deliver an opening speech in London. ስለዚ ከምዚ ንመሰሉ ወግዓውያን ነገራት will ንጥቀም። እዚ ንብል ዘለና እንታይ እዩ? ብዘይካ will ካልኦት future ዘመልክቱ ኣለዉ። እዚኣቶም ግን ኣብ ፍልይቲ ኩነታት ንጥቀመሎም ድሒርና ብዝርዝር ክንሪኦም። ካልኣይ ናይ will ጥቕሚ ታይም ቴብል ፕሮግራም። ታይም ቴብል ዝሓዘ ሓደ ንጹር ፕሮግራም ዝተታሕዘ መደብ ኮይኑ ከዓ will ንጥቀም። ንኣብነት I will start the work at 9. ኣብ ቀዲም መደብ ተታሒዝዎ ፀንሐ ፕሮግራም ነገር ታይም ቴብል ዝኾነ ነገር። ካልኣይ They will start the wedding ceremony at 2 p.m. ስለዚ ቀዳማይ ኣብ ፎርማል ወይ ወግዓዊ ኩነታት፣ ካልኣይ ታይም ቴብል ንዝኾነ ነገር ኢልና። ሳልሳይ prediction ማለት ግምት ማለት እዩ። ክኸውን ይኽእል እዩ ንዝበልና ነገር ንሓደ ጭቡጥ ነገር ዘይኮነ ወይ ፕሮግራም ወይ ፎርማል ዝኾነ ኩነታት ዘይኮነ ክኸውን ይኽእል እዩ ንዝበልና ነገር ክንጥቀም ከለና ወይ ክንገልጽ ከለና will ንጥቀም። ኣብነት I think they will close the bars because of the COVID-19. I think they will close the bars. We are not sure. predict قمتنا قلت maybe the bars will open again after some months. Maybe the bars will open again next week. خفت خلي زي كله قمتنا لذي ترى قمت نقلت كلنا على نتصور مهنة زي بلو قمت احنا يمكن نقل نتكلم كل زي will نتكلم سالسي تأمنت I believe they will make agreements. فأمنتنا راح I think يكون I think I believe I imagine زي الحركات تأمنا انتهي كون كم تخيل زلنا قمت بويل نقلت كالوت كويل التفليو مزاي وي فيتشرز قالوا انت يالونا خالق بزح زي مسويل من زامد كاز قلت going to زبلي أبكن will going to نتكلم going to نتكلم خلنا نقول كل شيء أبكن ميو verb بيلو I تلنا I am going to play football. He تلنا he is. So the subject side verb below. I am, he is, she is, they are spellna going to. So I am going to play football. She is going to do the job. They are going to help the school. Let's go شيء going to نتكلم خلنا أبكن ميو verb below. Let's structure type be plus going to. This structure زي future قلت كويل جن بمنتهي في الله نزل رأي متى ب going to ويكا be plus going to قلت كلنا تيز في السام نجار أقدي من حاسبنا وسينا نزعنا مسويل بمزمات كله هنا will شو عد وسنا نقول حنت نصير تعبنا ثلاثين Helen, her father, and her mother are talking about something. Let's have a look at that. Helen, my bicycle has flat tire. Can you repair it for me? نبوات حتى الله مشكلتي كمان شو أسلوبه تعري لي لها أقدم ما نقول حجي زفل زلوا حجي حاسبه خصوصا تخينه ويلك كمان الله father تايل من this okay but I don't have time now I'll repair it tomorrow نصبحنا خصوصا نصبحنا عريا حجي توسن زلوا نتو تاسقمون حجي سمع زلوا after some hours تحرق ساعات the mother asked him again look at this can you repair Helen's bicycle it has a flat tire تهدت دقمولو حجي أقدمه والله حتى خلا دوسنو نقدر أقدمه توسن قلت له هنا حجي أكن ويل going to it كم ماشي yes I know she told me I'm going to repair it حاسبيه له يعني أنتم منفسح له going to كم خلا أوكي مدي له حاسبيه له okay already a program زلنا كريم مالك going to prediction من تقولينا قديمنا will prediction لا يما حفشاوي prediction حفشاو قمت كون كله will تكم إثنين هو ذا اللي قمت أب حدا تشبط مهنات تمركز تقولين لكن going to تكم قبل حجين هذا بوزع قبل كرينا كدامي it's going to rain it's going to rain رحت لنا it's not right will كنت كمان الله نتو حفشاو قمتي كن ما يكوك مهان زمت كلنا رؤينا قالت لي مون حرت تقيسو لكن the will going to تكم لذي it's going to rain that's not right going to تكم حدا من يسلون على number 1 the clouds are heavy and dark it's going to rain and going to is right in this case معناته ما يكوك تقريبا هم دولو زرقي لحبر نقر تقيسنا لنا the clouds are heavy and rain إذا بنا أزيو سلميت الله ما يكوك إيه جه موقع مهان درجة رقص أني وحين كانت تزاربوا له مهنا يصير ذلك إذا خون كله going to نتكلم let's see some more examples that blind man is walking towards the ditch he's going to fall down هذا عين سور بروح أنريو بتقولش علم لا مجد خير أبتها مجد جن كلمة زين بس حدش ممكن تفعيل الله لازم زي فلتا ودق خير لقى ودق الناس شرب كنا الله The blind man is walking towards the ditch. He's going to fall down. كودو እዩ كودو እዩ ዘብለና ዘሎ ጭቡጥ ምክንያት ስለ ዘሎ going to ዳርጋ ፍሉጥ ነገር እዩ ንምባል ማለት እዩ ሳልሳይ he failed in 4 subjects. He's going to repeat grade 6. I think he will repeat grade 6 ክብል ንኽእል ሓፈሻዊ ግምት ግን ብኣርባዕተ ዓይነት ትምህርቲ ካብ 8 ወዲኡ ከም ተራጊፅና ዳርጋ ርጉፅ እዩ ዳርጋ 900 ዝራገፅና ይኹን ስማዕና ከሎ ኣክንዲ will going to ንጥቀም ደግመት ኣብነት he failed in 4 subjects. He's going to repeat grade 6 ዳርጋ ፍሉጥ እዩ ንብል ኣለና I think in a Jimmy I think he will repeat grade 6. He's not working very hard. ክልብል ንኽእል ንኸ ሓደ ጭቡጥ ነገር ተሊና ክሰርፍ ምዃኑ ወይ ክደግም ምዃኑ grade 6 ዳርጋ ርኡይ ዝገብሮ ግን going to ንጥቀም Another example. John is very qualified. He's going to get a job. John ናይ ስራሕ ኢንተርቪው ገብራ ኸይድ እንተልዩ ዘለዎ ኳሊፊኬሽን ደረጃ ትምህርትን ተመክሮን ብፀቢቕና ንፍልጦ ኢና ክነፅቦ ይኽእል እዮም ክቕበሎ እዮም ኢና ዳርጋ ሹር ተረኺና ወይ ርግፀኛ ምዃና ኮይኑ ሰሚዕና going to ንጥቀም ምክንያቱ እቲ ምክንያት ጠቂስና ኣለና John is very qualified ወይ እውን John is very qualified and experienced. He's going to get the job. ዘጠራጥራ ኣይኮነን ንብል ኣለና ማለት ስለዚ prediction ሓፈሻዊ prediction I think ክንከልና will ንጥቀም ገለ ጭቡጥ ምክንያት ክንገልጽ ከለና ነቲ ንግምቶ ዘለናስ ዳርጋ 900 ወይ ከዓ ንላዕሊ ዳርጋ ርጉፅ እዩ ኢና ንሓስብ ከለና ግን going to ንጥቀም Let's see more examples because this going to and will are always confusing. Oh dear, it's already 4 o'clock. We are going to be late. أربعة فرعنا بحر وتخبط سنيرون مجد خا مجدي 4 دقائق و 5 دقائق هنا كي تبقى في النهار 4 هنا فرق ساعة تيكون فرق ساعة كل حمل كل فلتين لذي Oh dear, it's already 4 o'clock. We are going to be late. كانوا يوم هانوش دارجة رجزين فينا الله نتو أبسادا أبسح أنت تبوتا تليفون دول جهاز هذا أطرح لدرجة رجزين يوم هني زارف لله تزارف لله going to يتكلم One more example. The child broke both the TVs in the house. His father is going to be angry. The child broke both the TVs in the house. His father is going to be very angry. كلتا يلقاني نوالو كلتا تيفي نيرا قالدا كلتا ينسيرون قالا أبو مجاهم تحرق درقا 100 درقا تخون We don't know what actions he takes we don't know but the fact that he's going to be angry is almost sure so we use going to ስለዚህ ኣብ ከምዚ ኩነታት will ክንጥቀም ይብልና going to ንጥቀም ካብ ዝወፃእ ግን will ምጥቃም ዝሓሸ ማለት will ኩሉ ግዜ ክንጥቀም ንኽእል ተሓፈሻዊ ናይ future marker ስለዝኾነ ሓላልተ ናይ will ኣብነት ንርአ and will probably arrive at about 8 o'clock. Anne will probably arrive at about 8 o'clock. I think Tom will like the present you bought for him. Okay, now let's see another function of future simple. Future simple is also used to express habitual actions in the future. أمزاي بتدقق مختصم زخل أكشن من أمغلات تقواني أمزاي حنسا يكونه أمزاي كل جزء ختص المهان نقلص عن دانغر the future simple نقلص أبنات boys will be boys والحين صغيرنا قاعد يكون نعرف مش بحري أتحجنا نزار من هون خلو حدا بحرنا دكتور نجا علينا ننتقد هنا تقدر تقول شاحهم يوم يحجونكم مسوونكم يكون boys will be boys it's all the same so it will be that way all the time even in the future right men will die but the world will go on what's never زلوا حج هذه ترى مهون حجون صيلوا زغصن نجر مهون نحبر على الذي حدا عمزاون بتاعهم خف سامي ويقصل إنه بالsimple future نجلس حجي formation نرى The form of simple future is subject plus will plus the verb in its basic form, in its bare infinitive form. I will play. I will play. Going to I'm going to play. I am going to play. كم تقديم الآن subject غير كلهم subject verb تغير. I am, you are, he is نبلتي verb غير going to كل شيء. أبزر لهم أصلي formation subject plus will plus verb or subject plus be going to plus will. simple feature كبزح كلمات زغل يعني إنجليش. أبزي مستغرينيا لو أنا بعير. أبتغرينيا مش نفسه كف subject التبارك ملكون دعير أخي. لذا حدا تغرينيا ذيك السبتغرينيا ما كله أجلس أجامي. English كن will is always the same will. أنا أسرح. نحن تلاقي نسرح. إسخا تسرح لذي كم دي تيبل رأينا أبتغرينيا مش نفسه كف subject التبارك من دعير أخي. تفهم الكعثة له. أب English مش كله will. I will, we will, you will, he will, she will, it will, they will. A present simple الverb غيري. I work will he تلاقين he works. A simple feature again تا work بكل عين subjects the same. I will work, we will work, you will work, he will work. Work is always the same. It never changes in any way. So that's formation. Now let's see how we make negatives and questions. How do we make the statement, the sentence كمان قالوتها وكحته غيرها. I will work. Negative. I will not work. Question. Will I work? أبحثون أسوي الله بالمزادرة. I have negative we have allotary statement. That subject will allow that will not مستقري. I will work. I will not work. حتى will I work قال لي you will take the book. Negative. You will not take the book. That will not مستقري. حتى we bring will to the beginning. Will not مزاي. Will you take the book? Question making of the negative forms. The negative statement كمان نبحث غيره. 1. I will not work. This is a negative statement. I will not work. Won't I work? I will not work. أكسر هنا ما أجي أكسر هنا. Won't I work? أكسر عندي. It is the negative form of the question. Color example. You will not take the book. Won't you take the book? Won't you take the book? Won't means will you not. Won't you take the book? Is the question form of the negative statement. Short forms or contractions. Let's see how we make the short forms. Normally, قلب عندنا هنا نزرب. توم native speakers كن قال على لقنا بحد حاويش contract كلام زارو. Let's see. I will come tomorrow. I will come tomorrow. I and will can be contracted. I and will لقنا بحد قال حاويش نزرب ولا دام سألوا أنت فينا هذا كنا ويكا بتهم نتوقع وانا تزرب قالوا. I will come tomorrow. I'll come tomorrow. I'll not I will. I'll come tomorrow. I will not come tomorrow. I will not come tomorrow. In this case, we contract will and not. I won't come tomorrow. I won't means I will not. Will and not combined. Instead of saying I will not, we say I won't. I won't come tomorrow. He will correct the mistake. He will correct the mistake. He'll correct. He'll. I can will تال تبلم تطرح بتاعد ما يدل combine قبلها. He will correct the mistakes. He'll correct the mistakes. He'll correct the mistakes. He will not correct the mistakes. Again, will and not in contract. Will is not. How is not that يحنتقل يحدد مسألة توصل له كل ذات. He will not. He won't. He won't correct the mistakes. Next, we will do it. We'll do it. We'll do it. Not we will, but we say we'll do it. L instead of will, only L is connected to the word before it. Last example. They will be on time. They will be on time. They'll be on time. They'll be on time. They'll be on time. ስለዚህ በአሁን መልክዕ ኮንትራክት ዜና ክንዛብ fly of spoken English. Giving short forms. The next thing we see is how to give short answers to such questions. Positive questions. Will you come to the party? Will you come to the party? Yes, I will. Yes, I will is enough as an answer. We don't say yes, I will come to the party. I'll come to the party የሚባል ወይ ምድጋም አይደለናኒ. Short form. Will you come to the party? Yes, I will. Or no, I won't. Will they take the responsibility? Yes, they will. Yes, they will. Aluta. No, they won't. They won't means they will not. The short form, the contraction we have seen earlier. قدمنا درانيا contract من واحد وين خطالات كم حدا نفهمهم يوصلوا مثال ماشي. Negative questions. Won't they come to the party? No, they won't. Yes, they will. Short form خنخلو. Yes, they will. They will contract خوانا كلمة أو حتصير. ملو كنبل كان لكن they'll be. They will do. Absentence أو حتصير. Yes, they will. Won't they start classes next week? No, they won't. Or yes, they will. Now, that's all about the lesson. Let's see some sentence for comparison. Compare. Which one is right and why? The sentence Number 1. I give you some questions now. Number 2. I will give you some questions now. Which one is right? I will give you some questions now is right. I give you some questions. Present simple. Future present simple now, yesterday, tomorrow and go to present simple. I give you some questions every day. I give you some questions always. Now I will give you is preferable. Test. Let's test these questions. Correct the following sentence. sentence ጌጋን ካንተ ምዃኑ ምግላጽ ፈትኑ ወይ መሳብ ፈትኑ. 1. I help my mother next week. 2. I will help my mother every day in the last 2 weeks. 3. If I will help you, I will pass the exam. Okay, let's see then. Number 1. I help my mother next week. Next week in the future مزاي. Because next week هنا up to verb future marker كمان. I will help my mother. كنبل Okay. Number 2. I will help my mother every day in the last 2 weeks. I will help my mother every day. سيعجع تبغى على مهاتو. أما سأيم تلاقي في السمون كنقل صوبلن خلينا simple feature سلزلنا. تعطي إلى ذلا in the last 2 weeks نجيجا. last 2 weeks ده حلف سوني. will كا مزاي. because will عندنا last week عندنا. So that's the mistake. We can say I will help my mother every day. Enough. Number 3. If I will help you. Miss if will أنت كمينا. We'll have to add a sentence after main clause. Got that. If هنا Mr. if the letter dependent clause will I need to come in. Let's رمكلا. If I help you, you will pass the exam. Will after main statement right لنا. So far for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much. That's all for today. Bye-bye.